American English and Mexican Spanish differ significantly in their phonemic inventories, which leads to predictable pronunciation challenges. Here's a breakdown of the most common American English sounds that don't exist in Mexican Spanish. Consonant sounds missing in Mexican Spanish. TH, as in thin. Think, thing. No equivalent in Mexican Spanish, often replaced with T or S. TH, as in this. Mother, weather. Often replaced with D or S. ZH, as in measure. Usual, beige. No direct Spanish equivalent. NG as in sing. Bring, ring. Spanish uses N plus G instead of velar nasal. Vowel sounds that don't exist in Mexican Spanish. Short, E sound as in bit. Id, hit. Often confused with E as in eat. Long A sound as in cat. Mad, mat. No equivalent, often pronounced as ah. Short a sound as in cup. But, bus. Often replaced with ah or ah. You are as in bird. Her, burn. No rhotic vowels in Spanish. Schwa, unstressed vowel sound as in sofa. About. Confuse. Spanish vowels are always pronounced fully. Thanks for watching culturalenlinea.com. Clases en línea con profesores en vivo. Join us now.